Hi everyone, Simon Keeling here with your flying week and weekend ahead, or even weekend and weekend outlook, brought to you exclusively by Fly Magazine in association with weatherschool.co.uk. Thanks again for watching. Phew, that's been a hot one, hasn't it, this week? Thunderstorms across many areas during the last couple of days. Looks like there will still be thunderstorms to the south as we go through the weekend. Better conditions across northern areas before things turn more unsettled into next week and we get some rain and some wind. Yes, there are some flying windows around, but I think they're going to be few and far between. Some amazing charts around this week. Just indulge me for a while I just show you this forecast QT for Birmingham. And this was for Wednesday afternoon. And what's so fascinating about this, and those of you who've done my online guide to QT's course or Aviation Weather School Part 2 will know what we're looking at here. We've got temperature on the right, we've got dew point on the left, and this grey line here is what interests me because this is the path that a parcel of air would take. What's really interesting is you see it goes to the left of the temperature line, just in that section there. We don't see this very often in this country. That's what we call CAPE, convective available potential energy. And once that grey line manages to get to the right of the red line, it's like an explosion going off and you get rapidly growing cumulonimbus clouds, and that's exactly what we have been seeing over the last couple of days. That was the giveaway, and we saw this in the forecast QTs 7 days ago, which is just amazing. Right, I've got my weather anorak on. Sorry about that, so I'll take it off again for you now. By the way, if you want to learn more about SCUTs, I've got my Pilot's Guide to SCUTs online course. If you just go to weatherschool.co.uk, come down to a Pilot's Guide to SCUTs. You can take this immediately. I guarantee this is going to be the best £99 you spend on your flying for a very, very long time. When you can predict using SCUT diagrams, you can do cloud bases, cloud tops, you can do forecasts of showers, of thunderstorms, of winds at all different levels, all up to sort of 7 days ahead. So go and have a look at that. And the people who've taken that course give it really good reviews. So do read the reviews as well. Of course, as well as that, I've got my Aviation Weather School Part 1 coming up. And I've just announced the latest dates of the 12th and the 19th of September. So Aviation Weather School Part 1 takes place over 2 consecutive Saturday mornings on the 12th and the 19th of September from 9:30 until 12:30. I'll teach you what you really need to know about weather to go flying. Look, the Met exam is just a tick box exercise. I'll show you what you really need to know and have you rapidly predicting and confidently forecasting the weather for the next 5 days. Again, it's money well spent. It will get you flying more, and this course saves you money in the long run. So to book that, again, just go to weatherschool.co.uk to find out more information and to book it. If you just come down to Aviation and click on Aviation Weather School live online course, it's all down there and you can book your place there. Now, it'll be great to see you on that course. Right, okay, that's the sales pitch. Let's take a look at what's going up. What's going on over the next few days. This is this afternoon. Here are the thunderstorms across the south this afternoon. I've got to go marginal across the south this afternoon with QNIMS because we have got these storms and these thundery outbreaks of rain moving north. 2 to 5,000 foot bases, 20 to 40,000 foot tops to be aware of. Flyable across Scotland, best the conditions in western Scotland this afternoon. Now for tomorrow, for Friday, again, similar picture. We get thunderstorms developing across southern areas, leading us to marginal conditions across the south of the UK. Bases around 4,000 feet, tops at 30 to 40,000 feet with some big QNIMS going off. Be aware of that. These eastern coasts may see some low clouds, so I'm going to go marginal here at times. More western areas, though, generally VFRable. Bases 3,000 feet, tops at about 10,000 feet. Into the weekend, and for Saturday, again, thundery area across much of England and also Wales and Southern Ireland. These areas into marginal conditions again. We've got some QNIMS in places, building. Looks like it's the Midlands, East Anglia and the South East see most of those 4,000 foot bases, 20 to 35,000 foot tops. Perhaps even a little higher. Again, these eastern coasts, marginal to non-VFR because of some low cloud drifting in, but otherwise we are generally VFRable. And then for Sunday, that thundery area moves its way northwards. Look, on Sunday, it gets into southern parts of Scotland, affecting much of Ireland, England, Wales, some prolonged storms at times. I've got to go non to marginal. I think local flying okay, but you've got to be very, very careful with this one because there could be some big storms around. 3 to 5,000 foot bases, 40,000 foot tops. Okay across northern Scotland. Again, low cloud down these eastern coasts. And then for Monday, things more unsettled on Monday. Some rain across Southern Ireland, getting in through central and southern parts of England. I think generally here we are non to marginal VFR. Base is probably around 2,000 feet, tops about 10,000 feet. Scotland again, mainly VFRable, but these eastern coasts again into marginal conditions. And then for Tuesday, low pressure centred off Western Ireland on Tuesday. Fronts moving their way eastwards. That cold front bringing non-VFR conditions just as it moves east. But I think behind it, probably improving. Although some heavy showers getting into Ireland, bringing non to marginal conditions here, and a breezier day, as you can see. But post-cold front looks okay. And then for Wednesday, the low centred across Ireland on Wednesday. Rain here and into southwest England and western Wales. Non-VFR here, strong winds. 1,000 to 3,000 foot bases, 10 to 15,000 foot tops. Probably eastern and southern England in a returning polar maritime air mass. Again, if you've been to weather school, you'll know that that kind of throws everything at you, including the kitchen sink, and bases around 3,000 feet, tops getting up at around 20,000 feet with heavy showers, marginal conditions. Better though across Scotland and also Northern Ireland. Details still tricky to pick out with that one, and it stays quite breezy as well. Lots of weather school learning in this forecast. Loads of what we cover is actually picked out really nicely in the weather that we're expecting during the course of this week. So if you'd like to come along to Aviation Weather School, then the 12th and the 19th of September, the mornings of, is when we're going to be doing Aviation Weather School Part 1. As I say, I guarantee it will be the best money you spend on flying in a very long time, and you'll save way more than that very, very quickly once you implement the techniques that I show you. So if you'd like to book your place now, go to weatherschool.co.uk and click on live online course, the Aviation Weather Part 1. You can see more information about the course down there, and then just book here where it says book securely using card or PayPal, and you can book your place now. Okay, I'm going to leave you with that for now. Whatever you're doing, thanks again for watching. Have a great and a safe flying weekend, and yeah, I'll see you on Monday with the update, but of course I'll be on the Flyer live stream as well on Thursday evening at 7:30. See you then. Okay, thanks again for watching. Keep the sun shining, and bye for now.